Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start with the gate hanging where it is. Check the post for movement and the gate for obvious hardware damage. Use a 4-foot level to confirm the post is plumb and tighten loose bolts enough to prevent drop. While you work, remove rusted nuts and apply penetrating oil. This makes later adjustment smoother. Once done, support the gate with a temporary prop so it doesn't sag, and identify which hinge or latch you'll adjust first. You focus on the hinges now, loosening one bolt at a time to move the gate where it needs to be. Top hinge raises or lowers, bottom hinge controls sweep. Insert thin shims or a 1/16 to 1/8 washer stack where the hinge meets the post to fine-tune gaps. Make small moves, then fully tighten one bolt, test the swing, and repeat. This prevents twisting, and make sure the latch lines up before final torque. You complete the job by aligning the latch. Loosen its screws, shift the striker plate until the latch engages without force, and then tighten. Make sure there's about 1/4 inch clearance at the bottom so the gate doesn't scrape. If not, raise the gate or trim obstacles. Once satisfied, run the gate through 10 full swings to confirm smooth operation, lubricate hinge pins, and recheck all fasteners. If it still binds, inspect the post for.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.